Hey folks, how's it going? Thank you for checking in. Today I'm at home here. I've been sick for like the last week, so stupid head colds and chest crap acting up, so yeah, lots of fun as you can imagine. But yeah, today's video is going to be different and we have Gemma Humphreys to thank for that. So let me play a little clip and you will understand what I'm talking about.
Hi Ken, it's Gemma here from Gemma Humphreys Photography. I'm super excited to be collaborating with you, although a little bit nervous on what challenge you're going to set me. But that's not important right now, because right now it's your turn. So, I've been having a little stalk of your profile, and I've thought something a bit different for you. So, your challenge, should you choose to accept it, is to take a still life photograph, and I want you to use your favourite item from your house in it. That's all I'm going to set you. Everything else, completely up to you. Colour, monochrome, whether you want to do it outside or inside, whatever you fancy, but still life and an item from your house. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you create.
So Gemma, thank you so much for this challenge. Still life is not something I've ever really done before, like I said. So I'm going to have some specialized equipment. I'll give you a look at that in a few minutes. My tripod is going to be brought out. I'm going to be in manual mode because I want to make sure that what I need to be in focus is in focus. I will be using a 1:1 aspect ratio. I just feel that lends better to the image overall. And my ISO will be at 100. I'm going to use f5.6 because that's the sweet spot on my 40mm lens. And my shutter speed I think is going to be about 2 seconds, thereabouts. I'll obviously play around with these a little bit and see what I can get. But yeah, it's going to be fun. And I think I'm going to have about maybe 3 or 4 images. The biggest thing for me will be angles and heights, so I'll play around with that, and then the images at the end, like I said, will probably be a couple of variations of angles. So please let me know in the comments, do you like it, do you hate it, did I do okay, what's going on? Yeah, I think that's about it really. Can't really think of anything else. Just want to have some fun, grow a little bit, learn something new, do something new. And if anybody else happens to want to be a part of this challenge that Gemma has organised, please drop a comment below or reach out to Gemma herself. And if nothing else, like I said, we can all do something new, grow and have some fun. Alright, here we go. So this is some of my equipment for today's shoot. We have a piece of card, we have some painter's tape, we have a lava lamp in the background, we have a roll of toilet roll. I know that seems completely random, but it's actually for the inner cardboard is what I want, and I currently don't have any empty ones. So we got to use a full one. Needs must. We have a glass, and we have an old aquarium light. So yeah, they are my highly specialized lighting and gear for the day. So I'm not sure how much of this I can actually video because I only have like the 40mm lens or the 75mm lens. Far too long a focal length to really let me get proper footage, I feel. There's corners and it's tight space, whatever else like, but I will do what I can. I'll try and, if I have to use the Action 4, I'll use the Action 4 and I can talk through some of my thinking and we'll go from there. So I obviously have the lava lamp here for color and ambiance. I have a little plant here, flower, just for why nots. And then my main subject is going to be sitting here on the coaster. Now, as I've never done this before, I'm not sure about angles. So at the moment, my camera is just behind the action forward here, and I'm set up at about this angle. So we're going to do that angle, and then I will probably drop it down for a more face-on angle. And I think that's where I'm at in that respect. And then I do have something else that's going to add some extra light. So I'll play with that too. And yeah, let me know what you think of the final outcome. I think I have about 3 or 4 images. And if I get that, I'll be really happy. Okay, I'm gonna go play some more with these. I guess next you will see the final images. And thank you for checking in. I hope you enjoyed this little shortish video, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, folks, thank you so much. I'll talk to you again. Bye-bye. Hey Gemma, what's happening? Hope you're well. So I guess now it's my turn, eh? I get to issue you with your challenge. Like I said, I never thought you were going to pick still life for me, but it was a good one, and I had a lot of fun with it. So for your challenge, you ready? Drum roll. I would like you to please go out and take some street portraits. However you do that is entirely up to you, whether you want to ask strangers in the street, or you want to bring family members, or you want to do some running and gunning. It's all up to you and your discretion. But I'm sure you'll have a lot of fun with it. And I'm looking forward to seeing the final images. And that's about it, really. So go have fun, and I'll talk to you later on. Alright, cheers, bye.